Hello.
Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to indicate a very interesting indicator that's called Turbo Oscillator. Okay, let's start that Turbo Turbo Oscillator run rocks. So you can see that we already installed this indicator. As you can see, this is very interesting. You can see this is a green line, red line, and this very informative. Just first of all we have to go into setting, and you can see this input. Just go to down and show hidden divergence. Okay, and then style it's going up. It's okay, but we can see. Okay, now we have to just histogram, so we have to turn down. This is okay. It's not need for now. It's okay, just okay that, and we can our setting is ready. Now we have to understand this indicator perfectly. This is a very interesting and professional indicator that you can use. If you can see, the market is going a trend that's going up, and you can so you can make it with 15 minutes time frame, or you can see in 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame is best for that indicator. It makes a very interesting indicators. That's so you can see that the indicator shows a green line that make a buying. You can see this level. You can see this is the buying session when this indicates this green, and that indicates us that is a green candle going to be introduced. So there you have to entry from here. The market is going up from here. So as you can see, this color is very red. You can see this white red, and just from here to here, just concentrate what I am going to say. From here to here, this means there is a very high selling. So in this when the selling is here, so we have to buy this line from here. After selling, you can see it. This is the reverse. This is the reverse candle. We have to buy from here, then it's going to up from here. So as you can see, this is the line, this is the indicate. This icon indicates that they're going to be downtrend when this level from here, this entry from here, and is going down to down here, and after that this line, and when this indicates this line, this green icon, it indicates this is going up. So this is a very interesting thing that indicates that indicator. And as you can see, this line is from here. Just if we make a trend line from here to here, see, same as like that. The indicator automatically make this trend line from the supported area. When the market touches that line, that is going up. So in this way the markets work. So if you can see this when the market is take this area, you can see this is a very green white, so it does indicate there's a very big buying from here to here, very big buy position already been happened. But when we going to when we see this red icon, that's mean the market is going to reverse. So if we enter the seller, that we can make a profit. Same as like that, you can understand it better way. In this case, you can see this is the bottom line, then you can indicate this green candle. So if we enter from here to here, that's we can make a profit to here. So this is as we can see, this is 30 minutes candle, that is a very profitable from here. So as you can see, the market is now with a green candle. So we didn't find any indicator indicate that's the for red. Just when we see that the red is happened, then we can enter as a seller from here. As the market is overbuying, so the market can going down anytime. Okay, now let's see another coin if we understand it properly. If we go to the soul from here, as we discussed it before, so if we make another so in this here you can see the market is from here is going green candle, its red is down and down. And if we make a very the Ethereum BNB is good. See what happened in here. When the market is now in here in red zone, see there is very red, and it's very selling already happened, or it's already made a green candle. Hope the market is going up from here. The market could be up from here, or if we another choose XRP, see this here you can see this over sold, then it's make a green candle, that is green candle is going up. Okay, this is the exact I'm going to say that that's already make that line. We have to just follow that. Understand if we make a SHIB USDT, going, see the market is already makes a very red candle is going down and make a green, so you can entry from here. If you enter from here, see this is the buying position. The market is going from here is making a down, and you can enter as a down. Okay, when it will make a green candle, we can enter as a buyer. We have to wait for that. So there is just you have to understand that level. See it's make a green candle from it indicate that's going to up, so you're gonna entry. So you have to understand from that. See level, see this is the Tesla, you can going green indicates, and you can enter from here is going up. See this indicates is green, you can enter from here is going up, it's going from here to here. So this is a very interesting indicator. See there is a selling position, you can enter from here going to down from here to here. let's see another gold, silver. So that's mean you have to indicate, see, this is the very understand profit position. You can see this is the resistance area, supported area, sorry, resistance area in this, and you can see this is a, it's showing a red indicator that is going down from here to here. So you can understand this indicators to better for make it profitable. Okay, for today this is from here, and hope you like this video and make profitable thinking. So you have to just install that Turbo Oscillator for Runbox. Hope you enjoyed this video.